question with multiple absolute values, I'm going to suggest you get a couple of colored pens or something because it's really easy to screw up which absolute value goes with which. Brackets are easy because one bracket's like this, the other bracket's like this, you know they go together. But absolute value bars are straight up and down. And you might get confused which one goes with which. Number one mistake in this question is some students make that -2 plus 2 because they see it's in absolute value. But I'm going to color code this one in blue. And then where does the blue one end? Here. Then I have another one I'm going to color code in green. And it ends there. We treat absolute values similar to brackets. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to simplify inside first, just like brackets. And once you have a single value inside the absolute value, then you can apply the absolute value, which makes a number positive. So, color coding this first one. I have my blue absolute values inside -26 plus 13. Then I have -2. And then my green absolute values, which inside I have 10 minus 16. Simplify inside my blue ones first. -26 plus 13, -13. Simplify inside my green absolute values. 10 minus 16, minus 6. So I simplified inside my absolute values first. What is the absolute value of -13? Sometimes it's nice to put brackets when you evaluate this. Absolute value of -13 is positive 13. Then I have -2 times absolute value of -6 is positive 6. So I simplified inside first. Then I applied the absolute value. I made it positive. I kept it in brackets because sometimes in math, there's a multiplication there. It's -2 times that absolute value. Right? If I didn't put brackets, it would look like I wrote -26. That's wrong. So now I can take away the brackets. I didn't need the brackets there, but 2 times 6 will be -12. Order of operations, we multiply first, now I subtract, and we get 1. I'm going to do B right there. Okay. Color coding, I only have one set of absolute values, so I really didn't need to color code, but it says evaluate that when x is 2. So I would plug in wherever the x is, substitute in the number 2. And we have to simplify this completely before we do the absolute value. So 2 squared is 4 times -2, -8. -3 times 2, negative 6, subtract 4. That's going to be negative 10 minus 8, negative 18. Once I've simplified and get a single number, this is where I can now say this is equal to positive 18. Circle questions 12, 13, and 14.